Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ban kan teo yaki rang ilek kai ki beran sab hak jilek kai football. Kham tam hak thai nong kandong dangshen ka sarkar Meghalaya klapan mi yakawe ka scheme ka bathamai ya ka balai garteng ka mission football ka balas dang na du mentaus nam 8000 khanyo. Si banta na kani ka mission football shen ka Meghalaya Football Association ka sapalong saya ka we ka lumpong ka bathamai ya ka balai garteng ka Meghalaya State League. Ban aila di kikin hon na kaleng ka jila bakin yo alat banilek kai hakum kani ka lumpong bahe jong ka jila bat ban penpau yala kasap jong kirang ilek kai. Ya kani lapan pena dagi dikhot jong ka Meghalaya Football Association hakaji kendo bat kinong patai ko bor ka jilla men hak hanyo trek menta ubnai no pra kino ilam jong ka MFA kleto baya kani kelempong Meghalaya State League on sedang nadu ka khanre trek menta ubnai no pra hakaba an wan yeshi menta dagi khanre utli kikin hon na kaleng ka jilla yaki ba on sa benta haki sautu digi group kawai ka ba compare jong ka ni je koap kalong ba hak je khon an ampalong tang hakawai ka jaka ni kamadan Handre on Palong haki South Lake District niki zone kabakiong kata Hajuai West Gentia Hills District Hamairang West Khas Hills District Hamadan Kurkalang jong Karibhoi District bat kawai pat ka zone kadai Harilom Garo yakaba on sapen menasyen yakajaka hakani ke Jacob ki kenhon ki balong ki lakdo niki bahe point do halaki jong ki group kin sai khon pat yaka semi final hapdeng ki team naki wai pat ki zone hakaba ka je khon kan long hakimadan ki ba halaka jong ka zone bat sekimadan ki ba shabar jong ki zone jong ki.
So in short, the Meghalaya Championship, Meghalaya State League, which we are calling in short as MSL, is basically a league which is being created with a vision to enhance the footballing ecosystem of football in the state, to provide a greater platform for clubs to participate from the length and breadth of the state, and to further popularize the game in various parts of the state, so that we can optimize the talent that is available in the entire state as a whole. And that is the objective. We are happy that we've been able to announce this initiative, and we will be, as mentioned, launching it on the 16th of this month in Ribhoi district. The inaugural match will be played at the Madan Kurkalang in Ribhoi on the 16th of this month. The league stages will go on till the 22nd. Thereafter, the home and away semi-finals will be held between the 26th and 30th of this month, and then finally the finals will be played in July on the 6th of January.